Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy this presentation. Tonight we're in Sri Lanka. On the menu is Malu Kirata, also known as curry fish. Morning mise en place. Just after prep. The evening mise en place in order of appearance. Heating up some oil in a saute pan. I add the mustard seed and the fenugreek until it pops. Then I add the onion and saute. Then I add the ginger and saute some more. Then I add all the spices. Then I add the tomatoes and the stock. Then I add the coconut milk. Then I add just a little bit of lime juice. Then I go ahead and add the cod. I remove the cod and add the coriander and stir. The finished sauce. The rice is ready. And the final presentation. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Have fun cooking.